Hi, and welcome back to another Blender Basics modifier generate modifiers video series. So this time we are going to go with the Decimate modifier. So it's pretty simple. You're literally just kind of decreasing the amount of faces. We're only really going to go on um, the unsubdivide um, the option. So if we press 1, we decrease. This is the smallest we can get, 4 faces. So let's do that to this right here. Decimate. So and yeah, it's cool. And then we can do the same thing to any other object as well. Decimate. Just really decreasing the amount of faces that make up your object. And I guess for us to keep the shape without losing its look, the lowest we can go is 306. So that's good to know, and probably useful for games when you're building assets and you don't want too much resolution, I guess. Let's go with planar. Let's see what's happening here. So planar. Oh, okay. I guess it's dependent on the angles of your object. Increasing or decreasing make this a little more interesting, though. It's cool. Okay. I don't know too much about this, so I'm not gonna mess around. But at least you're aware what you can do here. So unsubdivide and planar. Where let's see. Let's go over here and then decrease and go to planar and see what happens. So yeah, same thing, but it gives you pretty cool shapes. So take that into consideration when you're building things. Oh, we can go as far as just a line. Now let's go for this planar. Increasing the angle, you just get this weird shape too. Nice. Okay, so this is really what happens with the Decimate modifier, and at least these two I can show you what's going on or what you can do, but with collapse I honestly have little to no idea except you pretty much collapse it on itself. All right, collapse, break down in triangles. Ooh, nice. Let's see how low can we go. Oh, we're learning together. It's pretty cool. Oh, nice. Okay, same thing. Just different ways to reduce the amount of faces. I'm not really sure what's happening here with vertex groups, but you're more than welcome to. And then with collapse, we can collapse in different symmetries. Then triangulate. Whoa, nice. Cool. All right. Hope that helps. I know it wasn't really too informative, but we got 3 different ways to decimate and decrease the amount of faces with the decimate modifier. So yeah, hope this helps, and at least you know you're aware and how to use it in some way.